Hey guys, welcome to my channel Kanak's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you a yummy and healthy pancakes using some fine semolina or suji with lots of vegetables in it, that is suji pancakes or suji chila. These are easy to prepare pancakes at home which are very nutritious and wholesome for breakfast or even for snacking. So today I'll be preparing these in the form of tri-colored pancakes as a celebration and dedication for this Independence Day. So over to my kitchen to see what you need for this. First up, in a large mixing bowl, take the suji or rava and add in the beaten plain yogurt to it. Give it a good mix so that the semolina or suji is fully combined with the yogurt. Also add a very little water over here and mix it well. Now let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes or until all the moisture has been completely taken up by the suji and it swells up fully. After 15 minutes, you will see the mixture becoming little dry and thick as the suji has taken up all the moisture. So just add water little at a time over here to adjust the consistency, but do not make it very runny or very thick. Keep a good thick pouring consistency batter. Next, add in the salt and mix well. So this basic suji mixture or batter is ready. I'm going to divide this into 3 equal portions in different bowls. To the first portion, I'm going to keep it white only and adding only very little chopped onions to it and mix it well. To the second portion, I'm going to add the spinach puree, for which I've blanched the spinach and made a puree out of it, which I'm going to add it in this bowl along with some chopped green chilies and the capsicum. Mix this really well to get a good even colored and vibrant green mixture out of it. To the third portion, I am going to add this carrot puree, for which again I have boiled the carrots and made a puree out of it along with some chopped tomatoes into it. Mix everything really well to combine. Now all these 3 different colored batter are ready for pancakes. We'll add in ENO or fruit salt just before we prepare our pancakes. So I'm going to add just half teaspoon of ENO or fruit salt to the white mixture first and mix it quickly. You can also add some soda instead. This will react with the yogurt and will help in making the pancakes light and fluffy. Next up, heat a non-stick pan or tawa over medium heat and brush it with some oil or butter. And then pour a ladleful portion into it, spreading it slightly with the back of the spoon in the circular motion. Drizzle some oil around the edges and at the center. Let it cook on one side for about 2 minutes and then flip it over onto the other side and then reduce the flame to low, allowing it to cook well, pressing it slightly from the top. Keep flipping and drizzling some oil as required until it's cooked through. Once done, remove it onto a plate and then repeat the process for the green and the orange pancake as well. So this green and the orange pancakes are also ready. Plate it up nicely and serve it hot or warm with some green chutney or ketchup on the side. Don't they look beautiful with all the 3 different colors and layers in it?